The government is set to resolve the problem that admission of students into medical training colleges has faced over the last 3 years. The Cabinet Secretary for Education, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, said that his ministry and that of Health are working on legal and policy framework that will ensure admission of students into medical training colleges was open, transparent, and competitive. Dr. Matiang'i said the government will harmonize the laws relating to admission of medical students to address the statutory conflict that has dogged admission of students into medical training colleges. Matiang'i made the remarks during the launch of Afya Elimu Fund, which is an initiative that aims to provide loans to prospective healthcare trainees in the middle-level medical training institutions. The loans specifically target needy students, those from underserved counties, as well as those from counties with high disease burden. The Cabinet Secretary for Health, Dr. Cleopa Mailu, said that although the government has invested heavily in health services, it still faced inadequate human resource to provide health services for citizens. Dr. Mailu noted that the nurses and doctor ratio to 100,000 population is 165 and 21 respectively, saying that this was still low given the dynamic and directed nature of health workers' migration. Dr. Mailu said the government was bridging the gap by supporting students undertaking courses in private training institutions. He thanked USAID and Funzo Kenya for being the drive behind Afya Elimu Fund for the initiative that will support students in partnership with the Ministries of Health and Education through the Higher Education Loans Board, HELB. The USA Ambassador to Kenya, Robert Godek, said his government supported the initiative to strengthen universal health coverage for Kenyans. According to the Chief Executive Officer of HELB, Mr. Charles Ringera, the fund will go along helping prospective medical students access medical training.